With NMITE, there's loads of opportunities. My name's Debbie Gittoes and I'm the founder of Circle Ltd along with my late husband. Circle Ltd is a manufacturing company engineering, designing and manufacturing equipment for the heat transfer market. I heard about NMITE when it originally got off the ground. I was so fascinated by the way that they intend to train engineers that I immediately got involved. The engineers that we recruit tend to be good engineers but unable sometimes to apply the knowledge that they've learned at university. The biggest thing that I like about the NMITE approach is the fact that they create a rounded individual. It's not all pure rote learning about engineering. We've taken engineering graduates on previously and typically they either end up in our engineering department. We've got a research and development section. We've also got design, we've got manufacturing for design, we've got mechanical design, we've got electrical design. It's recognising that no matter who you are, no matter what role you do, those engineers that can think for themselves, that can talk to people, that can listen, for me is the biggest wish that I had.